That's hilarious. That's maybe the funniest thing I've seen. I knew it was gonna happen too when the guy was so slow. Okay, here we go. Round number 8. Okay, let's play e4 this time. Something simple. Probably go back to basics. It's actually kind of weird because since I'm playing classical turn, a lot of my mindset or approach is a little bit different. So let's play the classic more gambit against the Kwang Liêm. I think knight f3 is correct. Plays d6. Okay, so now bishop c4, of course, is correct. I think I castle here. So here, idea to play e5. Oh, there's also knight g5. Actually, wait, there's knight g5, maybe? Actually, wait, this might get really sharp. I think after e5, knight g5 is a move here. I think it is a move. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that knight g5 is a move here after e5. So he goes bishop g4 instead. But now don't I have queen b... Wait a second. Queen b3, e6. There's also e5. Wait a second. This looks correct. I don't know if it is, but it looks correct. Got queen b4 and queen a4. I've got the check. In case he tries to play d5, I have the recheck. And if he takes now, I also have queen a4, queen a5, maybe. And do I check or not? It's a big question. Do I take or not? Yeah, I think I'm going to go check first. And then take. I don't know if this was right. I mean, I could have also just taken right away. But I have a feeling the knight on d7 is misplaced a little bit more. Yeah, I expect that. Let's go rook d1 to hit the pawn. Rook a d1 may be a little bit better, but I'm assuming the rook on c1 is much better placed. Okay, I guess I can drop the bishop back to g3. Queen c6 is also maybe a move here. Yeah, I think queen c6 makes a lot of sense. I'm just trying to go after my opponent's pawns here, because basically I've got a compromised king side. So because my king side is kind of compromised, I need to do something quickly here. And now after knight c5 takes queen g5, there's always queen g3, and I should be holding it. I think I'm better here, actually. I think I'm better. I don't know if I'm much better or it's just like small advantage, but I think I'm better here. The longer he uses, the more confident I become too. Let's see what he does. Thank you so much to Jenkins Farm for the 4 months. Thank you so much to Bodoggy Benjamin. Thank you so much to Breaking Circuit for the Prime. Thank you to Guish for the Prime as well. Thank you so much to Saint Sanders for the Prime and Mr. Fogg for the Prime as well. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for all the primers out there. Let's see what he does. It's going really, really, really deep in the tank. But now I can take, I think, right? Because now I'm able to cover. I cover up with queen g3. Ah, he's got... Wait. He's got this one, which I didn't see, actually. Because queen g3 wants knight e5. Probably should have used more time before just going for it. But still feels like I should be better here. He's got knight f6, which of course I also kind of missed. Still should be better, but it's getting a little bit unpleasant, potentially. Maybe unpleasant's the wrong word. It still should be much better, but... Oh, did I have rook g1, rook g7, maybe? Maybe. Yeah, he's queen h5. Let's go queen d3, probably queen e2. I'm up a pawn here, but it's not simple to prove, I guess you could say. It's not simple to prove the big advantage that I think I should have here. Expected that. Not a good move, by the way, I don't think. Go here to hit the rook. We'll go, b3 is a mistake, too, of course. Maybe not a big one, because knight h5 I have knight e2, but it's not right. Okay, it goes there. I guess I'll just go here and rook c1, maybe. Problem is that with b3, I loosened the file. But b3 was such a huge positional mistake by me there. Just such a very, very bad positional mistake. Now, I could play rook g1 here. I'm trying to see if there's... Maybe I just go... Probably rook d2 has got rook c7, and rook g1, rook c2. Yeah, I've messed this up quite a bit. That was such a bad move, b3. I should have just played rook d2. So stupid. Knight g3, rook c2, rook d2. Not queen g1. Maybe... How do I do this? The most important thing is I can't get too low on time again, because if I get too low on time, bad things will happen because of the mouse situation. So I guess I'll go... I think I'll just go here in rook g1, probably. It seems sensible, at least, to play for rook g1. I do f5 at some point. Maybe knight d4? Maybe just like... No, queen e3's got rook d7. Come on, don't get too low on time. I'll go knight g3, why not? And like rook g2, maybe. Oh, I missed this one too. Oh, yeah, I missed this. Wait, did I just blunder for no reason? I think I did. Yeah, I did. It's great. Great, I just blundered. I think I have some trick with... I don't have the trick either. What the heck? Ay. He's just got knight g4, which I missed too. He goes queen g4, which looks wrong. Let's go here. Yeah, I blundered this too. Oh yeah, I gotta move though. Just wait, what am I doing? Oh, I blundered again. Wait. Now I've got this, maybe? Now I should draw. Okay, that's gonna be a draw. I don't know. We're gonna get another 100-move game here, you guys. How many moves have we played, by the way? I should actually check this. When was the capture? I don't want to waste much time, but okay, whatever. Let's just move. Just making sure there are no tricks here. Let's go here. Yeah, it's gonna be a draw in a second, you guys. Of course. Yeah, we got a draw, 50-move repetition. Okay.